Meaning of Douglas.
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 Douglas. Douglas is a Scottish name that means dark water or black stream. The name is derived from the Gaelic language and was traditionally given to people who lived near a dark, winding river or stream. It has been used as a first name for boys for centuries and is also commonly found as a surname in Scotland and other parts of the world with Scottish ancestry. Overall, Douglas is a name steeped in history and Scottish culture, with strong associations to nature and the environment.